This is Rob Cable, the CEO of PURTEQ, which is a manufacturer of non-toxic cleaning supplies. What is this technology?
This is called a luminometer, and we look to see how much grime, dirt, biofilm, or bacteria exists on a surface.
A luminometer measures ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. It's expressed in relative light units, or RLU, and shows how clean a surface might be.
Let's start with probably the dirtiest thing I have on me all day. This is my work cell phone. So we're swabbing here. We're going vertically on a 4x4 section of my phone.
Wow. You have a really dirty phone.
646 relative light units.
What's considered tolerance for a clinical environment is the numbers between 10 and 30.
This is a germ trap that I'm putting next to my face
And your
every
mouth,
day.
probably.
And my mouth.
The CEO of PURTEQ demonstrated how his non-toxic cleaners can disinfect my dirty phone.
Some disinfectants are very caustic and dangerous if not used properly.
His EPA-certified products use natural minerals like thyme and citric acid, as well as probiotics.
I think we all need to kind of wake up, not only think about the products that we're using, but how we're cleaning.
So I swabbed my phone after we cleaned it with PURTEQ.
Throw it in there.
30.
My disinfected phone dropped from 646 to 30.